I'm Emma, and my day starts with the sunrise. As the first rays of light peek through my curtains, I'm already up. I work as a software developer, and each morning is the start of a new problem-solving adventure. My ritual is simple: a cup of green tea and a quick glance at my to-do list. I live in the heart of the city, so I cycle to work. The streets buzz with energy, and I love the fresh morning air. It's a brief moment of tranquility before the busy day. My office is a hub of creativity and technology. Everyone's workspace reflects their personality. Mine is a mix of tech gadgets and plant life. I greet my team and we share a quick laugh before diving into our project. Today I'm debugging a complex piece of software. It's like a digital puzzle that requires patience and logic. My screens are filled with lines of code, each one a small piece of a larger picture. It's demanding but rewarding work. I take my lunch in the nearby park. It's a green oasis amid the urban landscape. I usually have a salad and fruit while watching the world go by. It's my moment of peace, a time to clear my head. In the afternoon, my team gathers for a brainstorming session. We're a diverse group, and each of us brings unique ideas to the table. Our discussions are lively and full of creative spark. As the day ends, I review my progress. There's a sense of satisfaction in solving complex problems. I pack up, say goodbye to my colleagues, and cycle home, ready to unwind and recharge for another day.